Okay, so today I'm just going to show you how to bind your tying point of your bouquet. So we've made a nice little bouquet there, just to give you a good example. I'm going to be using the satin ribbon, and I normally start by holding it in my thumb and working round. As you put it round, you want to put it nice and tight so it's quite firm, and make sure you catch the first bit on the first way round. And I'm going to go up a little bit just to make sure you completely cover the tie point, and then start to work back down the ribbon. And I'll probably go around sort of 3 or 4 times until you're happy with the amount that you have there. And then when I'm happy, I'll go back up to the middle, so you can see I'm just in the middle there. And then we're going to cut the end off, leaving a little bit of a trail. And then to finish, I always fold back on itself to hide that end you've just cut off. And then using some pins, I'm going to push in and upwards so it goes into the middle of the bouquet there, so you don't end up with pins coming out the other side. And then depending on the thickness of the ribbon, I'll either use 2 or 3 pins to secure it in there.